Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer apps on Android to Android. So for this, first of all you need to install this app, which is ShareIt. So after installing this ShareIt app, go for open. Oh, I have to wait for 5 seconds and it skipped now. Now, you have to install this app to your another Android phone to transfer apps. So from this Android phone, you have to tap on send, or on your another Android phone, you have to tap on received. You can see this received. You have to just tap on received. If I go for my another Android phone, you can see tap on received, and it shows after that a QR code, you can see. So go for ShareIt. Okay, now tap on send, select your app. If I go for any app here, okay, just this scanner, and tap on send and open. Now it shows you a scanner here, and you have to scan this QR code, and it's transferring now, and it's done. And now you can just install this scanner to your another Android phone. So that's it. This is how you can transfer apps on one Android to another Android. So yeah, hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphics design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.